Hello everyone, Clemente here, your favorite tax associate at Fact Professional. Today, I want to talk to you about a business credit that may help you reduce your taxes if you own an S corporation, an LLC, or a partnership located in California. This credit is called the Pass-Through Entity Elective Tax Credit, and it allows you to pay a portion of your personal state tax that is coming from your business income through your corporation or partnership or LLC or S corporation. What this effectively does is the portion of the payment that goes towards your personal taxes effectively reduces your federal taxable income, which will reduce your overall tax bill at the end of the year. If you need some more information about this subject, please, you can email me here or you can call us right here. Thank you for always being a valued client here at Fact Professional. We appreciate your business.